Good morning. I want you to hear the sounds of our yard in the morning. All the birds. You can hear the brook flowing by our backyard. You can hear birds chirping in the air. Rooster. It is just amazing. And I feel so blessed to live here. Just going to stop and be quiet and let you listen to the different birds and sounds. There's our roosters down running through our yard. You can hear shama birds, doves. Just looking around. I wish I could focus in on one closer, but just hearing these sounds is so amazing. I just want to thank my God for giving me this chance to be here. And honestly, I feel like they're all singing to Him this morning. As I stand out on my deck, I even look up to our mountain up here and look all around to the sky and the trees and everything all around here. There's our car in our yard.